Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook gar fish. First, you'll need to prepare the fish. Gar have incredibly tough, bony scales, so regular filleting knives won't work. Instead, use heavy-duty shears or even a hatchet to carefully remove the skin and scales. Once skinned, you can fillet the fish, being mindful of the central bone structure. Rinse the fillets well under cold water to ensure they are clean and ready for cooking. Now that your gar is prepped, let's explore some popular cooking methods. Frying is a classic choice, often with a seasoned cornmeal batter, creating a crispy exterior. Grilling also works wonderfully, imparting a delicious smoky flavor, especially if you marinate the fillets for at least 30 minutes beforehand. For more tender result, consider baking or smoking the gar at a lower temperature, around 350 degrees Fahrenheit, for 20 to 30 minutes. Let's dive deeper into frying, a favorite for gar. First, cut your gar fillets into 1-inch pieces. This ensures even cooking. Prepare a simple breading station, an egg wash in one bowl and seasoned cornmeal in another. Dip each piece in the egg, then dredge thoroughly in the cornmeal. Heat about 2 inches of oil in a heavy skillet to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Fry the gar for 3 to 5 minutes per side until golden brown and flaky. Gar fish has a unique, mild flavor, often compared to alligator or even chicken, making it quite versatile. To enhance its taste, don't shy away from bold seasonings like Cajun spices, fresh lemon juice, or minced garlic. Serve your cooked gar with traditional southern sides such as crispy hush puppies, creamy coleslaw, or a zesty tartar sauce. Any leftovers are fantastic in fish tacos or as a delicious filling for sandwiches the next day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.